Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you a vegetarian dish. I'm going to make Tinda Paneer Sabzi. I'm going to use 4 tinda and I'm going to peel it and I'm going to cut into small pieces. Half onion, you can use any color. That'll be fine. 1 green chili, 1 teaspoon fresh ginger, salt, turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin seed, half teaspoon each, garam masala, quarter teaspoon. This is homemade paneer. So I'm going to use 1/4. So this will be approximately, and this is not that I made it a brick. This is like a purji. And how to make a paneer, I have a poster video on my channel. Fresh homemade paneer is very tasty. The first step will be peel the tinda, cut the onion. Onions are diced, ginger, green chili cut into real small pieces with the tinda. Make it real small chunks, so when you're going to eat it, you're going to enjoy it. As for the paneer, we're going to use this much. So let's start making our delicious Tinda Paneer Sabzi. Start gas. I'm going to get a fry pan. 2 teaspoon olive oil. You can use any vegetable oil. When we are making sabji, we need to keep onion, all the ingredients fresh. You don't want to saute your onion. In other words, you don't need to make them brown. We are just going to cook them like 2 minutes. At the same time, I'll bring cumin seed. Mix it well. Cooking for 2 minutes. This is how the onion looks. You really want the onion to stay fresh. Now I'm going to bring all the spices, salt, turmeric powder, which is haldi, coriander powder, dhania and garam masala. Mix them well. We're going to cook them like a half minute. This is looking perfect. Now I will bring Tinda Sabzi. Mix them well. Once it's nicely combined, now it's very important. We're going to bring the gas to medium. Mix it one more time. Cover with the lid. And we're going to cook it for 3 minutes. Cooking for 3 minutes on a medium gas. I'm going to turn the fan on. Open the lid and mix it raw. So this is the paneer and we're going to mix it raw. And keep your gas on medium. Once the paneer is nicely combined with Tinda Sabzi, spread it evenly. Cover with the lid and we're going to cook additional 3 minutes on medium gas. Another 3 minutes cooking with a closed lid. I'm going to turn the fan on and we're going to open the lid. And now it's very important, we're going to bring the gas on high. Now we're going to keep turning. If there is any moisture, that will dry up faster. And if you see, the paneer sabzi along with our Tinda Sabzi is looking delicious. If you haven't tried the Tinda Sabzi with the paneer, please try it and you're going to like it. So another minute of cooking on a high gas, and if we look at, there is all oil, there is no water content. Sabzi is ready and I'm going to turn off the gas. And now the last ingredient, fresh cilantro, dhania. Mix it well and I'm going to dish out. I have my serving bowl ready and let me share with you. Our quick and easy delicious Tinda with the paneer sabzi is all ready. Please try it, and if you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.